Welcome, my dear students, in our session 2 of English Literature, Chapter 5, topic Funny Bunny. This is a story of a foolish bunny, means rabbit. Before we begin our story, let's revise what we learnt in our previous session. In our previous session, we learnt about the poem Zoo Manners. Whenever we visit the zoo, we have to follow some rules. They are called zoo manners. We should not tease the animals at the zoo. In this poem, the poet is talking about different animals at the zoo, like camel, chimpanzee, penguins. As we all know, camel has a hump on its back, and we should never tease the camel for his hump. Chimpanzees are also as wise as us, so we should not laugh at chimpanzee. And penguins can understand all the remarks what we make for them. In short, we should follow all the rules whenever we visit the zoo. Now, children, let's learn the question answers related to this poem. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what do you see at the zoo? Zoo में आप क्या देखते हो? अलग अलग एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स देखते हैं, है ना? सो आवर आंसर विल बी, we see different animals and birds at the zoo. Now, question number 2. What does the camel have on its back? कैमल की बैक के ऊपर क्या था? हमने पढ़ा था ना? Yes, a hump. So we will write the answer in this way. The camel has a hump on its back. Next question is question number 3. Have you been to a zoo? आप zoo में गए हो कभी? Yes. Okay. Then our answer is yes, I have been to a zoo. Now question number 4. Name the animals which you have seen in a zoo. Say the names in your own language and then in English. हाँ, हमने कौन कौन से एनिमल्स देखे जू में? लायन, टाइगर, चीता, है ना? सो वी विल राइट आवर आंसर इन दिस वे. वी हैव सीन lions, tigers, leopards, deer, monkeys, pythons, crocodiles, etc. in the zoo. Question number 5 is, name the animals you liked the most and why. जब भी आप जू गए थे तो आपको कौन सा एनिमल सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था और क्यों? आपको पता है, मैं जब जू गई थी तो मुझे कौन सा एनिमल अच्छा लगता था? लेपर्ड, बिकॉज वो बहुत क्विक और पावरफुल था. सो माई आंसर विल बी, आई लाइक्ड लेपर्ड द मोस्ट बिकॉज it was very quick and powerful. Now, question number 6. Did you feed any animal at the zoo? Should we tease animals? नहीं, हम कोई भी एनिमल को खाना नहीं दे सकते. So, our answer will be no, we didn't feed any animal at the zoo. हमको एनिमल्स को चिढ़ाना है? No. So, we write our answer in this way. No, we should not tease animals. With this question, we are ending our revision. Let's begin the story. Funny Bunny. There was a bunny जिसका नाम फनी था. And once he was sitting under a tree. Then what happened to him? Let's find out. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Here, nut means walnut. There are so many types of nuts like cashew nut, hazelnut, etc. When the nut fell, the Funny Bunny said, "Ouch! The sky is going to fall. I must tell the king." Means जब वो नट उसके ऊपर गिरा तो उसको लगा आसमान नीचे गिर रहा है और मुझे ये बात किंग जो राजा होता है जंगल का उसको बतानी पड़ेगी. तो he went to meet the king. On the way, he met Henny Penny the hen. एक hen थी जिसका नाम हैनी पैनी था और जब वो राजा से मिलने जा रहा था तब उसको रास्ते में वो hen मिली. So Funny Bunny said, "The sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king." When the hen heard this, she said, "I will come too." Means hen said, "I also will come with you." Tell me children, sky कभी गिरता है? नहीं, ये हनी बनी ने भी नहीं सोचा और hen ने भी नहीं सोचा और दोनों को लगा कि स्काई गिर रहा है. ये बात बताने के लिए दोनों किंग के पास चले गए. And on their way, whom did they meet? Let's find out. And off they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. "The sky is going to fall," said Funny Bunny. "I am going to tell the king." फनी बनी ने कॉक को भी यही बात बोली कि आसमान गिर रहा है और हम लोग ये बात किंग को बताने जा रहे हैं. सो कॉक से आई विल ऑल्सो कम विथ यू. मैं भी आ रहा हूँ. तो कॉक ने भी नहीं सोचा कि स्काई कभी गिरता है और ही जॉइंड फनी बनी एंड द hen टू मीट द किंग. और वो तीनों साथ में किंग को मिलने चलने लगे. ऑन द वे दे मेट लकी डकी. लकी नाम का एक डक था. वो रास्ते में उससे मिल गए और अगेन द फनी बनी सेड, "यस, द स्काई इज गोइंग टू फॉल. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल द किंग." क्या बोला? आसमान गिरने वाला है और मैं ये बात किंग को बताने जा रहा हूँ. तो लकी डकी सेड, "आई विल कम टू." चलो चलो, मैं भी आपके साथ आ रहा हूँ. एंड ऑन देयर वे दे मेट पुसी गूसी. मीन्स एक गूस था जिसको वो मिले और वो गूस ने पूछा, "कहाँ जा रहे हो?" सो फनी बनी सेड, "द स्काई इज गोइंग टू फॉल." स्काई गिरने वाला है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल द किंग. मुझे किंग को बताना पड़ेगा. सो पुसी गूसी सेड, "आई विल कम टू." मैं भी आ रहा हूँ आपके साथ. सो इन द सेम वे पुसी गूसी ने भी नहीं सोचा कि स्काई कभी गिरता नहीं है और वो भी किंग को मिलने चलने लगा था. सो चिल्ड्रन, फनी बनी, हैनी पैनी, पुसी गूसी Cocky Locky, and Lucky Ducky all went to meet the king. Then what happened? Let's see. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Foxy Foxy. Look at the picture, children. Who was Foxy Foxy? Foxy Foxy was a clever fox. और उन्होंने क्या बोला? Foxy Foxy, the sky is going to fall and we are going to tell the king. Sky means आसमान गिरने वाला है और ये हम सब किंग को बताने जा रहे हैं. Foxy Foxy said, मैं तुम सबको किंग से मिलवाती हूँ. Children, you know, fox is a clever animal. When she saw all these animals, she thought of a plan and she said, follow me. What plan did she think of? Let's see. First, what is the meaning of follow? Follow means to move behind someone or something and go where he, she or it goes. Then what happened? And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. मीन्स वो दिन इस सब लोगों का आखिरी दिन था. कैसे? सोचो, वो लोग तो फॉक्स के पीछे किंग से मिलने गए थे, तो क्या हुआ उनके साथ? As I told you, Fox thought of a plan and his plan was to eat all these animals and he did that. He ate all these animals. Tell me, children, what have you learned from this story? Yes, we have learned that we should always think before we do anything. We should not follow anyone blindly, means without thinking or without understanding the actual situation, we should not act. And in this story, all the animals didn't think and believed that the funny bunny said was right, and all of them lost their lives. Means सारे एनिमल्स ने फनी बनी पे ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट कर लिया और उनकी जान गंवा दी. Here our story gets over. Now children, let's learn some new words which we came across while reading the story. First one is king, means Raja. Then fall means गिर जाना, नीचे गिर जाना. Find means ढूंढना. Lives mean कहीं पे भी रहना. Like we live in Ahmedabad, right? Follow means किसी के भी पीछे जाना. Nut means here walnut, अखरोट. And met means past tense of meet, means किसी से मिलना. Now children, there are some dialogues in the story. Means स्टोरी में जो भी कैरेक्टर हैं जैसे फनी बनी, फॉक्स, वो कुछ ना कुछ डायलॉग्स बोलते हैं. So here some sentences are given. We have to write who said these sentences. First is ouch. The sky is falling down. ये कौन बोल रहा है? On whose head that nut fell? Yes, on Funny Bunny. So Funny Bunny the rabbit said this sentence. Next is I must tell the king. When the nut fell on Funny Bunny's head, he thought that the sky was falling down. And so he said, I must tell the king. Right? So we will write Funny Bunny the rabbit thought this. The king lives here. राजा जी यहीं रहते हैं. ये कौन बोल रहा है? Yes, Foxy Foxy the fox said to all the animals. So ये सेंटेंस फॉक्स बोल रहा है. The last one is follow me. जब सारे एनिमल्स फॉक्स को पूछ रहे थे क्या किंग यहीं रहता है, तो उसने क्या बोला? Yes, the king lives here. Follow me. I will take you there. है ना? So we will write the answer. Foxy Foxy the fox said this. So children, with this sentence we are ending our textual exercise. I hope you liked the story. Now it's time for homework. Trace all these words: own, come, house, cloud, lucky and funny in your textbook. Children, so whatever we have learned from this story, we must implement in our life. कुछ भी करने से पहले हम पहले सोचेंगे, किसी को भी blindly trust नहीं करेंगे. Right? Now children, our session gets over. We will meet in our next session with some more textual exercises. Till then, take care. Bye.